Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today I'm going to be changing the oil and oil filter on my 2014 Chevy Cruze with the 1.4 liter turbo. Okay guys, so this should be a pretty simple process, and I just wanted to take you guys along in case you are wondering how to do it or what you'll need. So pretty much I run Mobil 1 oil in it just because that's what I do, and it is supposed to take 4 quarts, maybe just over 4 quarts. So what I've got here is, we are now high mileage on this car, but Mobil 1 5W30, and I've got 5 quarts right here. So I shouldn't need this full thing, but I have a little extra this way just in case. And then of course I'm running a Mobil 1 oil filter as well. This is the M1C257A, in case you're curious. And literally the only other tools that we should need for this would be a jack stand, an oil drain pan, and then either wrenches or ratchets with the socket, as well as an extension, a 15/16 for the cap on the oil filter, and then a 10mm for the drain plug for the oil. So I forgot to mention, you might want a shallow little funnel to put your oil in if you don't have the best of aim, which, as you've seen, I didn't starting out or finishing. But anyways, we are all set now. All I'm gonna do, obviously, get these tools out of the way. I'm gonna fire the car up for just a few seconds to let the oil circulate through, and then I will check the oil to make sure that we're good. And as long as we are good, that'll be it. So let's go ahead and fire up real quick. So there you have it, guys. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's actually a really simple process, and I love cars like this that have that oil filter up top that's just interchangeable. Saves so much of a mess that you get from a lot of these other cars. But anyways, I hope this helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know any questions that you might have. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.